With millions of users worldwide, Tinder has become the pinnacle of the dating world. But what happens when you lose access to your Tinder account? Whether it's been accidentally deleted or banned, it can be frustrating not being able to log in. In this video, we will discuss how to recover your deleted Tinder account and how to unban your account if that's your issue. If you have permanently deleted your Tinder account, unfortunately, there's no way to recover your old profile, messages, or matches. When your account is deleted, your profile disappears from the platform and your data is erased. This means if you recreate your account using the same phone number or Facebook ID, you won't get your old matches or messages back. You will be starting from scratch. However, if you have only uninstalled the Tinder app from your phone, your account is still active. Simply reinstall the app and log back in with your previous credentials, and you will be able to access your profile as before. The harsh truth is that once your Tinder account is permanently deleted, it cannot be recovered. Tinder doesn't store profiles after deletion, so your account is gone for good. However, if you deleted your account by mistake, you can contact Tinder's support team and explain your situation. To get in touch with the Tinder support team, go to the following link and select Trouble with Account Login followed by Other Issue with Login. Provide your email and phone number associated with your Tinder account. Finally, explain your issue and submit. While it's not guaranteed, there is a chance they could assist you in recovering your Tinder profile. If your account can't be recovered, you can always create a new Tinder account. Keep in mind that this new account won't have your previous matches, chats, or profile details. If your Tinder account was banned, it can be challenging to get it reinstated. Tinder bans accounts for various reasons, including spamming, hate speech, prostitution, multiple accounts, violating age restrictions. When your account is banned, Tinder will send you a message explaining the reason for the ban. If you believe the ban was a mistake, you can try appealing by contacting Tinder's customer support. Here's how. Go to the Tinder support page. Select Trouble with Account Login. Then choose My account was banned. Provide the necessary details and attach screenshots of your profile to prove it's yours. If Tinder doesn't lift the ban, there is nothing more you can do to recover that account. However, you can create a new Tinder account. But be careful not to use the same phone number or Facebook ID from your banned account. Tinder will likely block you again if you do. Consider using a new Facebook account or a disposable SIM card to avoid being banned again. Unfortunately, once your Tinder account is permanently deleted, it's gone for good. But if you have just uninstalled the app or changed your phone number, you can still recover your Tinder account. If your account has been banned, you can try appealing to the Tinder support team for a review. If you are unable to recover your account, you can always create a new one, but just make sure to avoid using the same details from the banned account. That's it for today. We hope this helps you get back to swiping. Let us know in the comments if you have had any issues with your Tinder account and how you solved it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.